Okay, let's take a look at creating a custom action in a list. Here's my Business Intelligence Center, and I've resized this to try to make the video more viewable. Not that I think it'll help much, but anyway, let's go over to SharePoint Designer, and SharePoint Designer is up, and here's my different lists, and here's my external list. And let's go in and take a look at products down here. You see over here in products, as I come on across and scroll on down, here's my custom actions, view profiles. And what's that mean? Let's go back over to, let's pick the right thing. Go back over to Internet Explorer, move this back across and scroll on up, and here's products. So I've got that, and if I pull this on down, here's the action items I can do. By the way, here's my view profile page, because this one's set up, and you see I'm bringing that profile page, the profile of the actual item down here. So let's go back and let's change products down here. So we're going to do that by going back to Designer, and we're going to go in, we're going to create a custom action, which is fairly cool. I'm going to say new, and I need to give it a name, and this is just a demo, so I'm going to say link to, and I'll say product in here, although it's really, we're just going to navigate into a site. Normally what you would do is you would navigate into a URL, and show it an image or whatever you wanted to do, some kind of a custom action, but we're just going to show you that this link to a URL. Notice down here we could initiate workflow also off of this custom action, so we could fire up a workflow depending on the different items we come in and take a look at. And with a workflow, we can do just about everything. So navigate to URL, and I'm going to browse, and I'm just going to grab something in here. I'm just going to grab a URL. Let's just go into data connections, and that's okay. And I'm going to say OK down in here, and now you see I have my new action down here, link to profile. So let's switch back over to Internet Explorer, and let's go home and refresh. Okay, Pheno Group, and we'll refresh it, and we'll come down here into products, and hopefully when we pull this on down, now you see down here, here's my action link to product, and watch when I click her, she took it into the URL that I pasted on in. So you can think of all the different things that you could do with custom actions. They're really very cool, and you create all these just over in SharePoint Designer. This does not require the services of a developer.